evening setting up across the South Plains. We saw temperatures today right around the 80-degree mark, so well above average for this time of year. But those current readings right now, according to those Mesonet sites, are 65 currently here in Lubbock. So looking at those upper 60s across the rolling plains, you see currently in Gale, we're looking at a temperature of 68 degrees, 69 over there in Jayton, and then some upper 50s and lower 60s off to the northwest and to the northern South Plains. So they are cooling off a little bit quicker than most of us, but not to worry. It's looking like to see a pretty pleasant fall evening taking place across the South Plains. Now, as we take a look at our next weather system, it's currently gathering steam across the desert Southwest. As I kind of move out of the way, you can see this deep spin across portions of Arizona and California, bringing some much-needed rain to those drought-stricken areas, even some mountain snow to some of those ski resorts. But we're not going to be looking at the cold air and some any kind of snowfall across the South Plains, but we will be talking a little bit about some severe weather. Now, the Storm Prediction Center has issued a marginal risk on your day on Wednesday for the chance of a few isolated strong to severe thunderstorms going up across the South Plains. The main threats will be heavy rainfall, some locally damaging wind gusts, and some dangerous lightning as well. Now, the best time frame from this is really looking from late Wednesday night into early Thursday morning before those pre-dawn hours, and then this system quickly moves on out of the South Plains by early Thursday morning into Thursday afternoon. So let's go ahead and take a look at your futurecast, starting us out with late Wednesday evening or so, looking at the clouds pushing all into the South Plains thanks to all the moisture in place. Now, could see some showers breaking out across the eastern rolling plains into the northeastern South Plains, so can't rule out that chance there. Now, some of this could be on the isolated strong to severe side, but really the main event comes through after midnight or so. You can see by early Thursday morning a line breaking out across the central and eastern South Plains, including us here in Lubbock, so don't be surprised if you hear some rumbles of thunder and maybe some heavy downpours as that line quickly pushes on out of the area to the east by early Thursday morning. So we're talking before dawn or so, that line is affecting our eastern counties or so, but by Thursday mid-morning or so, that line quickly pushes on out of the South Plains into north central Texas, and then we're left with the clear skies, but the winds will be on the increase as we head into Thursday afternoon or so. I will show your windcast in just a second. As we take a look at your forecasted precipitation amounts, though, not looking at too much in the way of widespread rainfall late Wednesday evening into early Thursday morning, but could see up to about a quarter to half an inch in some locations, especially along that narrow line of thunderstorms I showed you earlier as they quickly form and move off to the east. So they're going to be very fast moving, and we'll see just some brief heavy rainfall, but could see some locally damaging wind gusts and some frequent lightning as so. So looking at the western South Plains, not looking at seeing much from this event or so, but we will keep you informed on any new information. Now, as the bigger side to this system will be the winds across the South Plains. Now, that's something we will all experience by Thursday afternoon or so, but by Wednesday, not looking at wind speeds that much of a deal, but by early Thursday morning as that front kind of moves through, we'll see some of those winds pick up just a little bit, but by Thursday afternoon, that's when we're looking at sustained winds right around 20 to 30 miles an hour across portions of the South Plains. I think most areas will see 20 to 25, but those winds quickly diminish by early Friday morning, and then we start to clear it out and cool down just a little bit heading into the weekend. But for tonight here in Lubbock, a low temperature right around 51 degrees, so kind of mild out there. There's partly cloudy conditions. We'll see the increase in clouds throughout the day on Wednesday, and then we'll throw in a slight chance of rain by late in the day on Wednesday. Best chances will be, like I said, Wednesday night into early Thursday morning, but the sun and clouds will be mixed for your Wednesday. High temperature a little cooler than today, right around 75 degrees. In your 7-day forecast now, still looking at those cooler temperatures, 75 for your high on Wednesday. A 10% chance of rain during the late evening hours. Best chances overnight Wednesday into early Thursday morning. Rain chances come abruptly to an end by Thursday afternoon when the winds begin to take over Thursday afternoon. Gusts as high as 30 to 40 miles an hour in some locations, so we may have to worry about some localized blowing dust, but then those temperatures behind the front, from Friday all the way through Sunday, looking at those temperatures back into the low to mid 60s and even some possible frost each and every one of those mornings. So that's something that we will have to watch for you there. And those temperatures back on the rebound by Monday.